Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our journey into the world of natural health. Today we're diving into part 2, the healing power of herbs and supplements. In an age where technological advances dominate our lives, the concept of natural health remains a timeless and grounding approach to achieving overall well-being. Natural health focuses on lifestyle choices, dietary habits, and mindfulness practices that align with the rhythms of nature. So let's explore how herbs and supplements can nurture your body, mind, and soul. First off, what is natural health? Natural health emphasizes prevention, self-care, and the body's innate ability to heal. It integrates natural remedies, whole foods, physical activity, and mental well-being. Unlike conventional medicine, which often targets symptoms, natural health aims to address the root causes of illness and promote long-term wellness. Herbal medicine has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. From soothing chamomile tea for anxiety to the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, herbs offer a natural alternative to pharmaceuticals. Let's talk about adaptogens for stress. Herbs like ashwagandha and ginseng help the body adapt to stress and restore balance. These powerful plants can help you manage stress without the side effects of conventional medications. Next, we have natural pain relief. Arnica and willow bark have been used to alleviate pain and inflammation for centuries. These herbs can be a great alternative to over-the-counter painkillers, which often come with a list of side effects. And let's not forget about immune support. Echinacea and elderberry are known to boost immunity, especially during flu season. These herbs can help your body fight off infections naturally and keep you feeling your best. When used mindfully and under proper guidance, herbal remedies can complement conventional treatments and promote a more balanced approach to health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, especially when incorporating herbs and supplements. So there you have it, the magic of natural health through the power of herbs and supplements. Embracing these natural remedies can lead to a healthier, more balanced life. Thanks for joining me on this journey to wellness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy natural life. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.